Welcome everyone to SeaWorld San Diego. We just rode our first ride here today, electric eel. Back row, amazing airtime, great hang time too. Now we're gonna head over to Journey to Atlantis as it is pretty hot today. Another great thing about SeaWorld San Diego is they have 3 roller coasters in this little area of the park. This ride is so fun, we just gotta go again. Also, Journey to Atlantis was super fun as always. The way that Emperor rips through its course, unlike any of the other dive coasters, is kind of crazy. But the back did have kind of a rattle to it, so So we just wrapped up 5 back-to-back rides on Emperor, along with Journey to Atlantis and 1 on Electric Eel. All great rides, super fun. The water here is looking a lot more green. And would you look at that? Manta's a walk-on. Time for another mini marathon.
Welcome to Manta.
Thank you, SeaWorld Pass, for my free thank yous. Well, obviously we're now out of the park, and that pretty much does it for SeaWorld San Diego. Welcome guys to Knott's Berry Farm, although it's super packed and I have no idea what we're gonna do. And this is so sad. Damn you guys, 90 minutes for hang time? I don't think so. Let's see, that's Accelerator. That's the Timber Mountain Log Ride, Hat Dance. Oh look, it's Soul Spin. We cannot escape these crowds. Dang.